Now let's see the third example. In a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? Okay, there is one city. So in that the number of men and number of women they given. Then what is see, so this is the number of men and this is the number of women. Then by how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? By how many the number of women exceed? Now first tell me which one is more, number of men is more or number of women is more? Yes, see it properly the number. Yes, the number of women is more. Then what is the question? By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? So what is the question? By how many numbers the number of women is more than the men? Understood the question? By how many means by how many the number of women is more as compared to number of men. Understood everyone the question? Number of men and women they given, but the number of women is more. Then by how many it more, that we have to find. Understood the question? So let's see how to solve this question. So the number of women is given and the number of men is also given. So for writing word problem, first we have to write the given information. Now here we have to do the subtraction, as we have to find the how many more women are there, that is the how many more. Okay, then we have to do here subtraction operation. So for that here I make the column and here I wrote the numbers also. Now let's see how to do the subtraction. Now 8 minus 6, yes, 8 minus 6, how many? 2 remain. 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 2, yes, do your 7 figure and subtract 5 from them. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Now 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 7 is possible. Yes, is it 2 minus 7 is possible? No. So borrow 1 from 3. So this 2 convert into 12. So this 2 convert into 12. So now 12 minus 7. 7 keep in your mind. 7 keep in your mind. After 7 count up to 12. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 5. How many fingers? 5 fingers. So after borrowing again return them. After borrowing return it. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So now 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. And 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is also 0. Then how many more number of women are there? 15,122. How many number of women are more? 15,122. Therefore, there are 15,122 more women in that city. Understood everyone this third one? Okay. So here we completed the first, second and third examples. Now fourth and fifth one you have to try yourself. Okay, fourth and fifth one. Very easy, same like that, only subtraction is there. So fourth and fifth one you have to solve yourself as a homework. So total in your CW you have to complete this all 5 examples properly, systematically. Write the heading, problem set 12 on new page. Write the question and after question you have to write the answer. Understood everyone? So complete this all 5 examples in your CW. So that is the homework for you. I think everyone have understood the problem set 12. Read each and every question 2 times and then only you have to try to solve yourself and practice. Okay, for your revision, for again for homework only, same question you have to solve in your rough book also. For your practice, same question you solve again and again 2 to 3 times in your rough book or on rough pages also. Understood? For your practice, you have to solve the same questions again and again. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.